That was a nice presentation. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That was a nice presentation, man. Hold on now. Y'all know how we get down with the boxes, man. We don't really do the boxes like that. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this month with another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on. MacBook Pro here, right here, man. We got the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the new M3 chip inside, man. This is gonna be my first, what they call it, the silicone M3. So this is gonna be my first up-to-date MacBook, man. I do have one of these super old MacBook Airs here that currently has the Intel. I believe it's like an i5 or something like that. So it's not slow. You know what I'm saying? But I'm missing a lot of updates. I can't download certain apps. Y'all know how Apple get down. Y'all know what I'm talking about for my Mac users. Or iPhone users. But anyways, man, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, man. Do you plan on grabbing yourself a MacBook Pro? Or if you already own one, let me know down below in the comments, man. So they do got two pull tabs right here in the back. So we're going to go ahead and pull those things back. See, pull that back right here. Let me see. You know what I'm saying? It's just my imagination. Oh, running in with you, girl. Second pull tab here. Yeah. I'm gonna pull down this brightness down a little too bright in here, man. Come on now, B, what you got going on? All right, here we go, man. So like I said, man, this is the 18 gigabyte unified memory, 512 gigabyte SSD, 14-inch MacBook Pro. Now, Apple did mention during like their whole little spooky, scary, super fast event that they had on the 31st that this particular model, it doesn't allow you to get fingerprints on it. And I'm seeing some couple of people videos and I see the fingerprints. You know what I'm saying? Apple, you capping to us? What y'all got going on, bro? But anyways, man, let's go ahead and get this bad buddy open right here, man. So here's the Mac itself. We're going to go ahead and wrap this with paper. Ooh. Okay, so they got MacBook engraved in the back of the laptop here, man. Let me see if y'all can get a better look at that. Let me see some. I don't know, it's gonna probably be hard to see that. But yeah, you can see the letters right here, MacBook engraved right there. Got some grip pads at the bottom here. Not really rubberized. I kind of wish they were rubberized, but they're not. Apple logo right here. Bada boom, bada bing in that space black. Now, you cannot get the space black unless you get the Pro model of the MacBook Pro. I believe it got to be the $2,000 version MacBook Pro. I can't remember the exact name. Because one of them comes with, I believe, 14 gigabytes. Or 8 gigs. I mean 8 gigs. So this is the one with the next step up. So that's, yeah, you don't get this color if you don't get the more advanced MacBook. Yeah, this is the MacBook with the M3 Pro chip in it. That's what it is. So you got the base model of the M3, and then you got the M3 Pro, and then you got the M3 Pro Max. This is the M3 Pro. This one has the M3 Pro chip in it, man. So we're gonna pop this bad buddy open. Dope laptop. This is fire, bro. And the joint just cut straight on. I just opened in the laptop, it just cut straight on, man. Like I said, man, you got the all black here, keyboard, and and I seen a lot of reviews, and they was getting like fingerprints all over the keyboard and a little bit, right there around like the mouse pad area. Like this is gonna be like my first like spaces. They call it the space black laptop in general. I have on some previous Windows laptops, but we all know Mac is king when it comes to laptops here, man. You know what I'm saying? I do want to test like some gamings and stuff like that on this, even though I know Apple don't really offer too much dealing with like gaming and stuff like that, dealing with the laptop. But here you guys go, man. Can I peel this off? They got stickers on top of stickers on top of stickers. There we go. Yeah. Super, super, super nice display right here, man. Super bright, super vivid. I really like this. I like the look of it. This junk is mad slim. You guys can see how slim it is right here. You got your ports as well. Your charging right there. 2 USB Type-C inputs, and as well as a headphone jack. And then on the other side, you have your HDMI slot and another USB Type-C slot right there, and an SD slot for your memory cards right there, man. So pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope, man. I believe like the lower model doesn't have the extra ports on the side. I believe it only comes with like 2 of them, if I'm not mistaken, or the USB Type-C. But yeah, man, pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. Y'all get in the comments, let me know your thoughts and opinions below about the laptop, man. You also have the charger inside the case here. Hopefully they include the charge box as well, man. I hope I didn't have to buy nothing else separately to charge. Like, okay, they did. They included it, man. So we got a manual here for people who want to read. Pretty sure it probably includes like some stickers and stuff of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, typical Apple there. You know what I'm saying? They like to hook us up with some accessories, especially the stickers. So here's the charge block right here. Now this wattage on this charge block. Let me see if they got the. It's a 70 watt charge block. 70 watt. Oh yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to read that, but it's a 70 watt charge block. I believe they offer the 90 watt as well, but that's extra money you'll have to pay on the website. Like I said, man, you can suit your laptop up kind of however you want, but the price is gonna definitely go up. Why she talking to me? Why she talking to me, man? But the price is definitely gonna go up, man, as you tend to add those different types of specs. If you want more memory, more RAM, all those type of things, you want a better chip, the price can go to almost near, I think like 7,500 the most I've seen when I was just messing around with it. But anyways, man, that's pretty much all you get inside the box. Like I said, man, you got your cable here, your not USB. Yeah, is it USB? Yeah, it's USB Type-C at the end, and then it's the other traditional charging cable for the Mac and the power block, man. So you do get the power block in the case as well, man. I would hope so, with $2,000 being spent. But that's pretty much it, man, for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. One close look again at the all black MacBook Pro. Boom, M3 chip inside of that mug, man. If y'all want to see like certain tests and things of that nature, let me know down below in the comments, man. Don't get too crazy with it. I don't know how to do too many tests, but I can figure some other stuff out, man. Because the inside of the laptop, once again, for those who want to take a closer look at that mug, man. Pretty decent size mouse pad right there, or mouse tracker, whatever you want to call it. I like it, man. Like I said, this is perfect size to me. Quick comparison with the 2015 model MacBook Air. See if we can do a quick comparison too, man. A little quick comparison, man. I think this is like a silver. This might be just silver color. So you guys go, man. This is the 14 inch. I think this is like the 13.3 inch MacBook Air right here. So 2023. 2015, man. I'm saying definitely a huge upgrade, but we might do a more in-depth comparison, like speed and stuff like that. Like I said, man, that MacBook right here, this MacBook Air held me down for a long time. You know what I mean? Definitely held me down for a long time. I just can't do like coding stuff on it, like far as like Xcode. I can't download Xcode on just because it's so outdated. But it definitely held me down for a long time. It's not even slow whatsoever. So I'm excited to see how fast this moves compared to that. But anyways, man, appreciate the love support. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, you already know what to do, man. Drop a like. Be sure to follow me on my social medias as well, at BTwiceAFool, so you stay up to date what's going on with your boy B. Be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen, because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man.